Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about derivatives. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Example: d by dx of 1 over x to the power of 4. So this means always one rule we have to remember is 1 over x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of n to the power of minus. So we have to change this one to this form: d by dx of x to the power of minus 4 is this one. We take this one over the upper part and we change the positive value to the negative. So what we are going to do next is we have to subtract minus 1 from the power of minus 4. So what we are left is minus 4 x to the power of minus 4 minus 1. We take this one in front of x and we subtract from minus 4 minus 1. So what we are going to left is minus 4 x to the power of minus 5, which means when we simplified furthermore, minus 4 over x to the power of 5. X to the power of minus 5 is equals to 1 over x to the power of 5 is the final answer of this question. So let's take another example. D by dx of sine x cubed plus sine x cubed. So whenever we have this and looks like this function, we have to remember the chain rule. So first we have to derivate the whole part and the inner derivative. So derivative of this means 3 sine x to the power of 2 times sine derivative. Sine derivative means cos x plus this one means what? First we have to derivative this function, which is cos of x cubed times the inner derivative means 3x square. X cubed derivative means equals to 3x square. So what we are going to left is 3 sine x square times cos x plus 3x square times cos of x cubed is the final answer of this question. So let's take another example. D square by dx square of x tan inverse of x. D square by dx square means we have to derivate it twice. So let's solve it. D square of dx square times x tan inverse of x, which is equals to, first we have to derivate it once. So what we are going to left is d by dx of, this one can be derived with the product rule. So first we have to derivate this one and multiply with this, and derivate this one, multiply with this. So what we are left with is x derivative means x derivative tan inverse of x plus x times tan inverse of x derivative. So d by dx of x derivative means 1 times tan inverse of x plus x times tan inverse of x derivative means 1 over x square plus 1. So we have to again derive this one with respect to x. So d by dx of tan inverse of x plus x over x square plus 1. So this means d by dx of tan inverse x plus d by dx of x over x square plus 1. Derivative of this one is 1 over x square plus 1 plus derivative of this one is we have to derive it with quotient rule. So first what we are going to do is derive this one, x derivative times x square plus 1 minus, again derive this one, x square plus 1 derivative times x over x square plus 1 the whole square, x square plus 1 the whole square. So let me further simplify over here. So this means 1 over x square plus 1 plus x derivative times x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 derivative times x over x square plus 1 the whole square. So derivative of x means 1 over x square plus 1 plus derivative of x is 1, so it is x square plus 1 minus derivative of x square means 2x times what? X over here over derivative of constant number is 1. Derivative of constant number is 0, because of that I left it over here, and x square plus 1 the whole square, which is 1 over x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus twice of x square over x square plus 1 the whole square, x square plus 1 the whole square, so which is 1 over x square plus 1 plus x square minus 2x square is minus x square plus 1 over x square plus 1. So what's left is 1 over x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1 over x square plus 1. I took minus over here and changes the sign of this one to minus, so the whole square. So if we take an LCM of both of them is x square plus 1 the whole square. X square plus 1 divided x square plus 1 is x square plus 1 times 1 is x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1. So this over like this one, which is x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus minus plus 1 over x square plus 1 the whole square. So what's left is x square cancelled with x square, so it is 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 over x square plus 1 the whole square is the final answer of this question. So it's all about today class. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.